Hello, 4th graders, Mrs. Nelson. This is Group 1, and we are going to be finding the perimeter of a 1x1 rectangle. So, here we go. Let's take a look at it. We have our rectangle, and we're going to draw our rectangle. And our rectangle is going to have length and width. Our width is going to be 4, and our length is going to be 8. Now, how we find the length and width, how we find the perimeter of this guy, is you're going to fill in all of the missing sides. Okay? So, you're going to come over here and you're going to put 8 on this side and 4 on this side. Now remember, perimeter is where you add all the sides. So you have to add up this plus this plus this plus this. You add them all up. So that will look like 4 plus 4, and then you're going to have the 8 plus 8. Please show all of your work, because if you don't, I won't be able to give you credit. So you have the 4 plus the 4 equals the 8, and then you have the 8 plus the 8 equals 16, and then you have 16 plus 8. Remember, stack these. Some of you still trying to add them vertically. I want you to use the standard algorithm. So, we're going to add 6 plus 8. Okay? So, 8 plus 6 more is going to be 14. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, or 20. So, your perimeter is going to be 24. You have to show all of the work. Questions or concerns? Please let me know. I'll see you in the next video.